Hi everybody, welcome to Mogat Farms. It's a beautiful day. As you can tell, my voice is getting a little rough. It's been a long week, that's for sure. It's been a good week, and we're getting ready for Maple Festival. In doing so, we gotta hook this coffee maker up. Let me show it to you. That is a big Bunn Coffee Maker. Look how big this thing is. And look at the size of the plug. Oh my goodness, that's huge. Now my neighbor had a plug that's gonna match. There it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to install it somewhere over there. All right, one thing's for sure, guys. Don't listen to me when it comes to electrical. You will probably kill yourself. I can't tell you how many times I've gotten shocked, mainly on electric fences since I moved to the farm. But there's been a few times or two in my life when I wired something incorrectly, man, I got zapped. So don't ever follow my advice, but you can watch the video because it's going to be kind of fun. I am going to cut a hole somewhere over there in the wall, and I'm going to put that electrical outlet. And then we're gonna take this coffee maker right here and we're gonna put it over in there and we're gonna plumb it up. Not sure if we're gonna make a pot of coffee today. My goal is to get this installed and then spend the afternoon with my family. So come along and let's see if we can get it done. Have you guys ever seen inside of an electrical panel? I think they're pretty neat. Let me show you mine. It's probably the neatest thing I've got going here in the barn. All the white is your neutral. All the copper is your ground. Don't touch those two, you will die. That's your ground, and that's also your ground. That may be a neutral though, because it connects to both of them. At any rate, that comes from the power meter, which is on the other side of the wall. I don't think we can see it from this vantage point. And it feeds into here, and then you have all these open spots. So we're down to maybe 2 or 3 more spaces in the box, and I think we're going to use this one today, right here. Okay. Don't hit the lights. Yummy. Yep, that came out easy. That's it. Don't hit the light. Yummy. All right, we got it. We're gonna come in either here, one of these holes, or with that existing hole there that we're gonna cover up in a minute. No matter how we come in, we've gotta go up, bring it all the way over, come down, hit our neutral over here, ground over here, and our 2 hots right there. Now, we need to size it so that we have it and have a little bit extra. Because the last thing you want to do is just not have enough and have to deal with your wire stretcher. That's how we're going to cut the conduit. I'm going to have to turn the compressor on, it's going to get kind of loud. In order to get the wire through the conduit, you want the conduit as straight as possible. Any little short curve, it's gonna bind up. So I kick it across the room. Take this side, here we go. A little bit of wiggling. I'll get it in there. Here we go. There it is. All right, let's go put it in the wall. Here we are. This is the item we're going to use. It's an end that goes in the conduit, and all it's got to do is thread on. It's pretty cool. Once we get it on, past the wires, there we go. Got it past the wires. We're now, heading on up. Now all you got to do is just start twisting. All right, I'm going to put a little piece of tape right there, because it's frayed, but by no means am I worried about this coming apart. Remember, don't trust me doing this. We don't want to hit the 2 silver bus bars or bars. That'll get you. Get up in there, silly. There we go. Now, can't really tell if there's 2 sides, but I like the little flat ridges as opposed to the concave ridges. All right. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I got to identify my neutral and my 2 hots. Some of you guys are probably sitting there saying, "Oh no, Kevin, don't cut yourself." That's how we can tell you're new to the channel. Because if you've been here a while, you know I do some crazy things. And you're probably thinking to yourself, "Oh no, Kevin, don't cut yourself again." I know, I should have done this beforehand. All right. Don't touch anything. There we go. All right. Now we know where that is. Okay. Whoops. That is definitely not my world. Huh. If I think it's gonna fit in there. Let's get that in. Wow, guys. That doesn't make any sense. Let's get the wire through there, then we'll connect it. If I get the wire in there, I might get the wire out through there. I might get my other piece out through there. There we go. There it is. I believe that would work. And there we go. Okay. Now remember, all we gotta do is get this threaded on and it'll screw right onto it. Again, not necessary, but I want to cut myself again. Okay. Now, once you get that little ring on, all you gotta do is just, a screwdriver will tighten it up to the point where it's snug, and that's really it. Set this guy back on the wall. I'm gonna use my drill. Come here, drill. Here we go. Take my drill. Here's that one.
Hello, Kevin.
Hi, Lefford. I'm glad you're here. You can finish this.
Got your camera running?
Yeah. You don't want to tell any stories, do you? I mean, I could always bleep them out. Cost you $20.
That's extortion. I want to go on record to say that is extortion.
You can go on record, but not mine, because I will bleep that out.
You'll read that out too.
I'm afraid I'm gonna win. We have a good meal. Wow, this works.
That was good.
All right.
That was good. Just need a screw now.
Yeah, it's sitting on the table. I'll get it in a minute. Let me go get my. Did you get the stapler gun?
Yeah.
You did. That crazy stuff. Let me see that thing.
I even reloaded it.
You put staples in it? The most important gun on the range is the staple gun. I don't think you put the right staples in. How'd you load it? Backwards? You didn't load it. You loaded it backwards.
Upside down?
No, buddy, you put them in there backwards.
Can't put them in backwards. Okay.
Yeah, I was just joking. This is a newer style, I think. Already been cut once. laid my connections. That's the breaker. Everything is back together. We still got to put a screw in, but that's finished as well. That thing is crazy heavy. We were going to put it there, but it's not going to work. So we're going to put it on there, but we got to get another board. Remember, don't listen to me when it comes to electrical. I'm not an electrician. I'm just a farmer. We do pick up skills every now and again, the things that we need to do here on the farm. Electrical is one of them. So is plumbing. And there's a few others as well. The more skills we pick up, the easier it is to run our farm. Thanks everybody for watching our video. Do consider giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, God bless you guys.